Alright, I'm back where I left off at yesterday, except for it's like the next day. So me, this dude Trevor, new to the channel, and Matt, we're about to go to the junkyard to fix his car. Now he left his key at Matt's house, so I can't really show you what the fuck is wrong with his car. So basically, you want to explain what the fuck, why do we have to fix your car?
So I was pulling out of their work and I was pulling out and I was looking to the left, looking to the right. And I'll be honest, like I forgot all about the median right there and just plowed into the median. I busted my oil pan, I broke my motor mount, and
cracked the transmission.
Gave my transmission a glory hole.
Yeah.
I mean, you can kinda.
Oh yeah, yeah. Do that again. Yeah, that's his entire motor and transmission moving because the mount is fucked up. So the oil pan we did like a week ago.
Yeah, before
maybe. Yeah, he just got back from Oregon not too long ago. So the oil pan is fine.
Brand new oil pan.
But we need to get that little cap and a fucking motor mount. And my car, I need a lower control arm because I'm not changing the ball joint because I don't have a press and that's just too much work. So yeah, it's like a gaping hole in it. You know, honestly, I was thinking even if we got that cap, the actual trans is cracked. So it's not even gonna, like, see how this is supposed to be like right there?
Yeah, but look, that end cap has those 4 bolts. Oh, it is the actual trans.
Yeah.
Alright, JB weld.
Hell, if we fucking bend that shit up some more and then we can just JB weld the rest of it or something.
Yeah, that was actually gonna be my plan, is to fold that back up and then JB weld it.
Yeah, so we can do that. Cool. So it's hot as a bitch. We're about to go to the junkyard, even though I don't fucking feel like it. But we need to fix our pieces of shit for this video that may or may not happen. Which I feel bad for even saying something about it because I know it probably won't happen because I said something about it. That's why I don't say shit about anything. Like my new trade I'm about to do. Ain't that right? My new bike. Alright, so y'all motherfuckers ready? Yeah. Leg up.
You'll be driving by today, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully so. So our problem is that, like, his car, this, I don't know if anyone is like a Volkswagen person, but this is a Mark 3 Jetta and the junkyard doesn't have any. So we have to see if we can use shit from a Mark 4 Jetta. So hopefully, like, the mount is the same because the motor is the same, but I don't know if the mount will be the same. So
Exact same motor.
yeah, exact same motor. So hopefully, like, they didn't switch the mounts or nothing. All we really need is the mount. The cap shit is really not that important. I mean, it is, but we can live without it. So yeah, to the J yard we go. And Matt's Civic, the EX Turbo. You know what? We left the tools. Ooh, your boy about to get a 98 to 01 front end. Yes, fucking sir. Ha ha ha. Oh, and an EG hatch? What the fuck? Oh, this shit is zoomed in. Dude. It's a single cam. And it's an automatic.
And you can get new hood, new trunk struts.
So after 20 minutes about sweating, you want to give a little update of what's the fuck been going on? Anger, frustration, heat stroke. This is probably the only car that's going to be here that we're going to be able to pull this shit off of. And this mount is like a bitch to get to. Like, It's not like it's in the front. It's...
And let me guess, you can't find it.
What? Oh, I didn't even look it up. I didn't even know what the fuck this shit would be called. Well, you can't even fucking see it, but it's a fucking bitch to get to.
I'm just gonna try and drop the subframe.
Have fun with that. Oh, there it goes. It's that mount.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, after 45 minutes of sweating our fucking balls off, we finally got this stupid ass motor mount off. Now, I'm about to go to that Integra to see what I can get off of that shit.
I got you wrong. Well, cheer up, Buttercup.
You ugly.
Eventually.
Well, we just left Taco Bell because we needed something to drink because it was hot as a bitch. So we got his motor mount. I got this fucking trunk light for my shit, and I got some all red tail lights. I didn't get the bumper and shit because the front bumper was cracked and the rear bumper I got pissed off, so I stabbed it so no one else could get it. So I don't know if we're gonna, well, we're not gonna fucking fix this car today. We're gonna just save that for tomorrow because we're going somewhere tonight. So we're gonna go to this little abandoned asylum like 2 hours away. So I might film that, I don't know yet, because this is not really related to car shit. But I'm gonna just pick up this video sometime tomorrow whenever we finish working on this shit.
My bad.
Wee! So yeah, I'm just gonna pick up this shit tomorrow. So I'll edit this first half of it and then we'll fix this shit tomorrow. I'll put these tail lights in tomorrow and yeah, we'll go from there.
Day 2.
So I know you guys can barely see me, but it's now been 2 days. It's kind of dark. We're finally about to do his motor mount. I'm a little upset because I put these tail lights in my car, the all red ones that I got from the junkyard, and I put them in my car and for some reason everything else just stopped working and it really pissed me off. So
You need light, don't you?
yeah, let me see that light.
Hold on. I got something better.
Yeah, it pissed me off, so I'm kind of upset. Literally I just plugged the new ones in and the brake lights still work, the reverse lights still work, but if I turn my lights on, it the running lights won't come on, neither will the bumper lights. The only lights that come on when I turn the lights on are the headlights, and if you push the hazards, if you push the hazards, like the little bell that's supposed to click on for the like if you leave your headlights on, that is dinging whenever I put the hazards on. So it's pretty fucking stupid. But anyways, we came over here to fucking work on his shit. So should be pretty easy. It should be easier than the junkyard, especially since it's broken. So all we gotta do is jack his motor up a little bit and take the other one off, take the other half of the shit off.
Let's do it for the video.
What you say?
I need pictures.
Pictures of what? So you gonna say what today is?
Today is mine and my car's 3-year anniversary. I picked her up and ironically enough came here and showed that man way over there.
My dad.
Yeah, it won't work. But I pulled up here 3 years ago today in my love. Oh girl. My 2016 Honda Civic EXT 1.5 liter turbocharged inline 4. Hey, where do you want this? You know what? I'll just hold it for a second while I smoke a cigarette.
Oh wait, let me see it real quick.
If anybody is under 18 watching this, do not smoke cigarettes. Cigarettes are bad.
No, they're not. They're pretty good for you.
I do not condone the usage of cigarettes.
How you gonna say you don't condone it, but you can do it anyway?
No, I don't
everyone.
condone other people.
You don't condone other people doing it unless it's you. Like, if you look, those 2 bolts up there, we gotta take those out. Those are 13s. And you know it should be
Where's my lighter?
3. Oh, yeah, it's 3 of them. The other one is up there, you just can't see it. But it's those 3, and that takes off the first half, and like, for whatever reason, Volkswagen put the shift linkage connected to it. So we gotta disconnect that. And then the other half is just 2 more 13s, and then it comes apart, so. Should be pretty easy, but since I'm helping him with this, it probably won't go that well. Alright, so we got the other one out like 20 minutes ago. As you can see, it is literally broken, and like it wouldn't let him shift, so like, hold on, that part is supposed to be straight, like it's literally supposed to be straight up, but it was bent, so that was probably why I wasn't letting him shift in reverse, because it's part of the linkage. So is this little plastic shit right here, so it literally broke in half. And the other piece, yeah, it broke into 3 pieces. It's that one, and where the fuck is the other one up?
Well, I'm gonna tell you some good and some bad news.
What?
I just rounded that bolt.
Really? But the good news is that it's tight, right?
The good news is yeah, it's fucking.
Oh, well, good enough for us. So the new mount is in. We just gotta reconnect the fucking linkage and put the other 3 bolts
Part
in.
of the linkage already connected. It has this weird buoy thing. You know.
Yeah, I gotta slip those other 3 fucking bolts in.
Alright, I'm gonna
First.
get under there and try to get that other one in magically.
Well, see, it's in, but it won't. You can't. It's no room to turn shit. So you have fun with that. I'll be up here doing the rest of this shit. So yeah, but
everything down here is covered in oil.
Yeah, that's what happens when you shatter your oil pan on the median. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
All right, guys. It is literally, we have literally been out here for 2 fucking hours with 1 fucking motor mount. So like, it's really getting annoying. Like I'm really tired, especially after the shit with my car. So let me show you guys the fucking issue. If I can find a flashlight, or I'll use this phone. All right, guys. So pretty much, well, we put the linkage back in, but if you look all the way down there, where that bolt is at, like right underneath that fucking brake line, that is the top of the motor mount. So if it connects to the motor, I guess it technically goes to the trans. So if you connect it to the transmission first, like if you try to connect it to the trans first, it won't line up. Like if you connect it to the trans first and you try to lower the motor into the little cup that it sits in, it won't line up. So then if you take it off the trans and you put it in the cup first, then it's crooked. It like makes it crooked so it doesn't line up on the trans, so you can't bolt the 3 bolts in the shit. So like, it's really annoying. So honestly, we've given up and we're gonna just send it like that. It's just gonna have to sit on top of there because there's nothing else more we can do. We shouldn't be sitting out here for 2 hours fucking with 1 motor mount. Like this, it should have been done like a long time ago. It's hot as a bitch. It is, well, this phone just died. It's like 11:30. We started this, I think, at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is when we got over here. I'm fucking dirty as shit. Everything I got on is dirty. I need to take a shower and like, it's just annoying. Notice you had to go from first to, oh, what was that? First to third. That was 5th? Oh. So we got the shit. We're driving the shit now. Well, he's driving the shit now. But so the motor mount is still not sitting in that cup. It's like just sitting on top. Is it the axle?
Yeah, buddy.
You know the axle's probably rubbing on that cup because it's that fucking close to the shit. Fuck it. So the motor mount is still sitting on that cup. It's not in properly, but fuck it. There's nothing else we can fucking do about it. But it drives. But we figured out that there's something down there that's fucking broken in the linkage. So we have 3 gears. We have 1st, 3rd, and 5th. which is good enough. So,
And you know what?
you know what? Just for celebration and all the shit we had to do, you know, we may as well give her one good rip, you know. You know, through all that, your horn still works and mine doesn't. So I guess that makes this car better than mine. So yeah, I mean, it drives. Fuck it, I ain't figure that shit out. Hopefully, probably not. When we say we'll figure it out, we mean in like 4 weeks when it starts to get annoying. You know, honestly, this video started off really good, and then with all our failures, it's just gone down and down and down and down. So
3 days of failures.
3 days of failures, you know. That's not my most amount of failures, but exactly. Not 5 minutes and we already broke something.
Oh, yep.
Fuck is up? Oh, the hose came up. Vacuum hose. Click.
Did you just hear it backfire at me?
Oh, that killed it. Wait, so where? Oh, it was just capped?
Yeah.
Where's it up?
It probably fell out. Hello.
Fuck it. We're just gonna cam Jetta. It kind of sounds like an RX-7. Well, back on the road again.
Honestly, I'm about to take a piece of electrical tape.
Cammed.
Like a motherfucker. That's like a 325 cam right there.
Fuck it. Look, you know it's a Volkswagen because it already has a check engine in it. If it doesn't have a check engine light, it's not a real Volkswagen, honestly. If it doesn't have a check engine light.
And if it doesn't idle like this, you're fucking up.
Yeah, that's the truth, honestly. Well, nothing we can do about it. Fuck it.
Bitch, let me roll my dope, don't get too fucked by what you mean. Look, I've been on the road 2, 3, 4 weeks, like what you mean? Phone call after phone call, my trap boom like Wall Street. And I just smoked the old, but still real car stretching .3s. Look, I done came a long way from had nowhere to sleep. You trap in the hallway, bitch, tell me what you need.